A good air fryer can completely change everyday cooking, saving time, reducing oil, and making meals more convenient. Below are 4 popular models reviewed based on real-world performance, usability, and value. Number 1. Ninja Crispy Glass Air Fryer. The Ninja Crispy Glass Air Fryer stands out because it uses a durable glass cooking container instead of traditional nonstick basket. This makes it easier to monitor food while cooking and avoids concerns about scratched nonstick coatings. It offers air frying, reheating, roasting, baking, and crisping in a compact design that's ideal for small households. Real-life experience. In everyday use, the crispy heats up quickly and cooks frozen foods evenly with very little oil. Chicken wings develop crispy skin while staying juicy, and vegetables roast evenly without burning. The glass bowl is easy to clean because food residue doesn't stick as much as coated baskets. The biggest limitation is capacity. It's best for 1 or 2 people. The glass container is also heavier than a standard air fryer basket and should be handled carefully. Should you buy it? Buy it if you want healthier cooking, prefer glass over non-stick coatings, and usually cook for 1 or 2 people. Verdict: highly recommended for small households that value easy cleaning and glass cookware. Number 2. Ninja Footy Pro 11-in-1. The Ninja Footy Pro 11-in-1 is a multifunctional cooker that combines air frying, pressure cooking, steaming, slow cooking, baking, roasting, dehydrating, sautéing, and more into one appliance. It is designed for people who want to replace several kitchen appliances with a single machine. Real-life experience. The Footy Pro performs consistently across multiple cooking methods. Pressure-cooked meats become tender quickly, while the air fryer function crisps foods well without drying them out. It's particularly useful for preparing complete family meals in one pot. The main drawback is its large size, which requires significant counter or storage space. New users may also need time to become comfortable with its many cooking modes. Should you buy it? Buy it if you want a versatile appliance that can replace multiple kitchen devices and cook for several people. Verdict: one of the best all-in-one kitchen appliances for families and frequent home cooks. Number 3. Instant Omni Plus 18L. The Instant Omni Plus 18L is a large air fryer oven designed for households that need greater cooking capacity. It combines air frying with baking, broiling, roasting, toasting, dehydrating, and rotisserie cooking. Its spacious interior can accommodate multiple slices of bread, a whole chicken, or several trays of food. Real-life experience. The large cooking chamber makes meal preparation more efficient for families. Toast comes out evenly browned, rotisserie chicken cooks with crispy skin, and baked foods achieve good results. Air frying works well, although foods may require tray rotation for the most even browning. Cleaning takes longer than with basket-style models because there are multiple racks and accessories. Should you buy it? Buy it if you cook for a family, enjoy baking, or want an appliance that functions like a compact countertop oven. Verdict: an excellent choice for larger households that need versatility and generous cooking capacity. Number 4. Cosori Turbo Blaze Smart 6 Cutie. The Cosori Turbo Blaze Smart 6 Cutie is a modern air fryer featuring a high-speed fan, smart app connectivity, voice assistant compatibility, and a 6-quart basket suitable for most families. It focuses on faster, quieter, and more even cooking than many traditional basket air fryers. Real-life experience. Daily cooking is simple thanks to intuitive controls and reliable preset programs. Fries become crispy, chicken cooks evenly, and vegetables roast with excellent texture. The quiet operation is a noticeable improvement over many competing models. The mobile app is convenient for monitoring and recipes, although many users find the fryer works perfectly without relying on smart features. Should you buy it? Buy it if you want excellent air frying performance, modern smart features, and enough capacity for 3 to 5 people. Verdict: one of the strongest all-around air fryers, offering excellent cooking performance, ease of use, and good value.